How to see which Instagram Reels your friends liked. In this video, I'll show you a useful Instagram feature that lets you view the Reels your friends have interacted with. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. To begin, open the Instagram app and go to the Reels section. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Tap on the Friends tab. Once selected, you can scroll through Reels and discover content that your friends have liked. While watching, look at the bottom left corner above the Reel creator's name. You'll see profile pictures of friends who liked that Reel. As you continue swiping, different friends will appear depending on the content they interacted with. If you don't see the Friends tab, tap the menu icon in the top right. Go into your settings and then open More Content Preferences. Scroll down and check if Hide All Activity Bubbles in Feed and Reels is enabled. If it is turned on, it prevents you from seeing which friends liked Reels. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to like the video.